What's up guys, it's Kelley here from Alma Coffee, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an Aeropress. I love the Aeropress because it's super easy, super quick, and there's almost no cleanup at the end. What you're going to need is a standard Aeropress kit with the filters, the funnel, and of course the Aeropress, and then your favorite coffee. Now Aeropress goes great with any roast profile, but I particularly love light coffee, so today we're going to be working with our San Sebastian roast.
Before you begin, you'll want to measure out 15 grams of coffee and grind to a medium coarse or a medium fine setting. You'll also want to go ahead and put 1 or 2 Aeropress filters in the filter cap and pre-wet them. You'll see why this is important in just a bit. When you have the coffee ground to your preferred size for the Aeropress, attach the plunger to the base and then position it upright. Then, add the ground coffee and 30 milliliters of boiling water to the Aeropress base. It's time for your coffee to bloom. Give it a stir with the Aeropress stir to expose all of the grounds to the boiling water, and wait about 10 to 20 seconds so all of those delicious coffee flavors are fully extracted. You're going to now want to add water over the course of 20 to 30 seconds until you reach 230 milliliters or the brim of the Aeropress base. During this step, I also like to pour water across the Aeropress stir to ensure that all of the coffee grounds are being extracted into the base. Once you reach approximately 230 milliliters of water right around the brim of the Aeropress, secure the Aeropress lid to the top of the base. If you pre-wet the filters in step 1, you won't have to worry about them sliding off during this process. With the lid secured, grab your Aeropress and position it on top of a coffee mug so that the plunger is upright. If you're having trouble fitting your Aeropress on top of your favorite coffee mug, you can use the Aeropress funnel to secure it on most coffee mugs, but we found that it fit perfectly on the custom-etched Alma mug. With everything in position, and as the name of the Aeropress implies, push down and press all of that delicious, freshly brewed coffee into your favorite mug.
Alright everyone, that is our own Aeropress recipe here at Alma Coffee. Let us know in the comments if you have your own take on this brewing device, but for now, I hope you know enough to make your own Aeropress at home. Cheers!